Money was scarce. You worked like an animal, day and night.
We would work 70, 80 hours a week. Not necessarily always pleasant for the home life.
Because you were the face of the company and you're trying to make things run, keep everybody happy, juggling 300 balls at once, and believe you me, you drop them.
Hi, I'm Walter,
Hi, I'm Marcel.
and we own Top Notch Roofing in Chilliwack, British Columbia.
Top Notch Roofing as a company has been around since 2014. Taken over the company from my father-in-law who started it in '94.
That was my dad, and that originally was twin cedar roofing. In 2003, when I came out of school, I started taking over as a sub. By 2013, Walter had joined us already, and we became Top Notch Roofing.
We were growing year over year. Didn't necessarily understand why we weren't making the money that we should be and why we weren't getting hit on the jobs.
So we really felt like we were spinning circles because we were getting lots done, but that was with Walter and me on the roof, on the job. We had guys everywhere and everything felt really messy. It felt like if I would let the tools go, the business was going to crumble.
Of course, because we were building a business without a proper plan or system.
So we heard about Breakthrough Academy through a referral.
Had a chat with Danny Kerr, owner of BTA, and he asked me, what's your net profit? I'm like, maybe 3%. He's like, you're happy with that? And that was the first time that I had ever had someone say to me, listen, you guys are working hard, but your numbers are crap. You should really do something about it. So BTA really helped us with a couple of implementation items. It's a master business plan, ideal candidate profile, and building and creating SOPs.
We get a pretty granular idea just off of our MVP, the health of our business, but also how are we trending? Are we going to hit our benchmarks, our goals?
Prior to Breakthrough Academy, we did not really know who our ideal client was at all. We just serviced whoever wanted to have a price.
Now, with everything we've implemented today, we now know exactly what kind of customer we like.
We've been creating SOPs since basically the start of Breakthrough Academy. What it has helped is create a lot of clarity amongst the whole team.
Because if someone reaches out to me with a question now, I can just slide them a nice SOP. Here you go. I am not repeating myself anymore.
So our net profit when we started BTA was 2%, and we're on track this year to hit 10%.
That is just amazing. Like, and not just because it's money, it's just it feels like you're breaking through the next level.
My wife said actually the other day to me, she's like, it's amazing how much calmer it is in-house and how much less stress there is.
You got more family time. You're not fighting fires all the time because now you got systems in place. Now you got people in place.
So my advice to any contractor that is struggling right now is reach out, do your research. I strongly recommend Breakthrough Academy because they've been really successful for us.
When you think you are the indispensable contractor who, you know, your business is not going to run without you, you can't make any changes, your business is going to go sideways on you, you are 100% wrong, and this is from experience. Look above the rut, look for help.